10 Best Oil Filter for 6.7 Cummins 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Dodge Ram Cummins Oil Filter Tool. Say goodbye to frustratingly messy Dodge Ram Cummins oil changes forever. This isn't just any tool. It's your ultimate solution for a cleaner, easier experience. Crafted from robust, aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, our oil filter tool is engineered for life. It won't deform, age, or drop debris into your engine, ensuring peace of mind. The magic? A precision design that securely threads into your filter, creating an impenetrable seal. Oil stays trapped inside, effortlessly preventing spills even when navigating tight engine compartments at awkward angles. Plus, the ergonomic T-handle provides an unbeatable grip, making installation and removal simple and secure. Elevate your maintenance routine with this essential, expert-grade tool. Number 9. Onan Quiet Diesel Oil Filter. Ensure your Onan Quiet diesel engine runs smoothly and efficiently with the right filtration. This Onan Quiet Diesel Oil Filter is engineered for peak performance and longevity, offering serious protection in a compact package. Weighing just 0.318 kilograms and measuring 8.788 by 8.001 by 8.788 centimeters, it's designed for efficiency without adding bulk. Forget compatibility concerns. Its universal fit provides the correct solution for your generator every time. Proudly made in the USA, it guarantees robust quality and reliability that endures. Equip your quiet diesel with this essential filter for unparalleled clean oil, smooth operation, and ultimate peace of mind. Invest in superior protection for your engine. Number 8. Donaldson Blue Lube Filter. When your heavy-duty equipment demands the best, trust the Donaldson Blue Lube Filter to deliver. This isn't just any filter. It's built for the long haul, engineered to provide superior protection and extend service intervals, keeping your engines running efficiently for longer. There's a reason it's the first fit choice of original equipment manufacturers. They rely on Donaldson quality from day one to safeguard their engines. And when it's time for a change, the Donaldson Blue is the preferred choice for filter replacement across the industry. Give your equipment the proven, dependable performance it deserves. Invest in Donaldson Blue and experience the difference true filtration expertise makes. Number 7. WIX Racing Oil Filter. Serious racers understand that peak performance hinges on unwavering engine protection. That's precisely where the WIX Racing Oil Filter steps in. Engineered for the extreme demands of the track, this filter delivers uncompromising filtration, meticulously capturing contaminants while ensuring an optimal, unrestricted oil flow rate. This isn't just about keeping your oil clean. It's about safeguarding critical engine components from wear, even under intense pressure and high RPMs. Its robust construction guarantees reliability lap after lap, allowing your engine to push boundaries without compromise. Trust WIX to deliver the clean oil your high-performance engine deserves, ensuring sustained power and enhanced longevity. Elevate your race day confidence with WIX. Identify yours easily with part number 57620XP. Number 6. Mopar Engine Oil Filter. Your engine deserves nothing less than genuine Mopar protection. The Mopar Engine Oil Filter 5083285AA is meticulously engineered to provide a perfect, precise fit for your specific vehicle, guaranteeing optimal performance and longevity. As an expert knows, using the correct filter, identified by its exact model number 5083285AA, is crucial for trapping harmful contaminants and maintaining pristine oil circulation. This essential component arrives conveniently in a compact 1.5-pound package, 11-inch LX5 WX8H, ensuring secure delivery and easy handling for a hassle-free installation. Trust Mopar to safeguard your engine's health and maintain its peak efficiency. It's more than just a filter, it's peace of mind for every mile. Number 5. Dox Diesel Ram Cummins Oil Filter Plug Tool. Keep your Ram Cummins running strong with Dox Diesel Premium Oil Filter. Expertly engineered, this filter is your engine's best defense, diligently eliminating harmful dirt and debris. Our high-flow synthetic media and durable metal housing ensure extended life, promoting optimal engine health, superior fuel efficiency, and preventing overheating. Compatible with all oil types, synthetic, conventional, or blended. Installation is a breeze, taking just 15 to 30 minutes. Designed to meet or exceed OEM standards and directly replace Cummins number 3678921 components, you're getting unmatched quality and reliability. Trust Doc's Diesel, a Northwest Ohio grassroots company, for superior performance and peace of mind for your vehicle. Always confirm fitment. Number 4. Thought. The user wants a clean, concise, and engaging product title for a YouTube video. The input is a raw Amazon title. Doc's Diesel Filter Set DGF 430 plus DGF 401 plus D5335 compatible with Ram 6.7L Cummins 2500, 3500, 4500, 5500 2019 to 2024 replaces 681572991AA, 6843661AA. Key requirements. Clean, concise, engaging. Suitable for YouTube video. Remove unnecessary details, brand repetitions, excessive specs, promo. Appealing, professional, easy to read. Under 10 words if possible, but descriptive. Output only the clean title. Let's break down the original title and extract the core information. Product * diesel filter set. Brand, implied Doc's, but the request says remove brand repetitions, so maybe just diesel filter set. Compatibility * Ram 6.7L Cummins 2500 to 5500, 2019 to 2024. Part numbers * DGF 430 plus DGF 401 plus D5335. These are specific product numbers, maybe too much detail for YouTube title. Replaces * 681572991AA, 6843661AA. These are OEM part numbers. Also maybe too much detail for a YouTube title, but useful for search if condensed. Goal. Under 10 words, descriptive, engaging. Option 1. Focus on Doc's and core compatibility. Doc's Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Set, 7 words. Good, but Doc's might be seen as a brand repetition since it's implied. The request specifically asks to remove unnecessary details like brand repetitions. However, Doc's here is the brand, not a repetition of Ram. If I remove Doc's, it becomes generic. Let's reevaluate. Remove unnecessary details like brand repetitions. Doc's is the primary brand of the filter set. Ram and Cummins are the vehicle/engine brands. It's not a repetition of Doc's. I think Doc's is fine to keep as it identifies the specific product maker. Option 2. More generic, focusing on the vehicle. Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Set, 6 words. This is very clean, but loses the specific product maker, Doc's. Is Doc's essential? The original title includes it at the beginning. If the video is about this specific Doc's product, it's good to keep. If it's a general video about Ram 6.7L filters, then dropping Doc's is fine. The prompt says product title suitable for YouTube video presentation based on this raw Amazon title, which suggests we should identify this specific product. Let's try to combine elements concisely. What is it? Diesel filter set. For what? Ram 6.7L Cummins. What years? 2019 to 2024. This is important for compatibility. Attempt 1. Doc's Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Set, 7 words. Does it convey the years? No. Attempt 2. Doc's Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filters, 2019 to 2024, 8 words. Filters instead of filter set is slightly more concise. Adding years makes it more descriptive. Let's consider the engaging aspect. Doc's is part of the original title. Keeping it helps identify the specific product from the raw title. Doc's Diesel Filter Set for Ram 6.7L Cummins 2019 to 2024, 10 words. Hits the 10-word limit exactly. It's descriptive and includes the years. Doc's Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Set 2019 to 2024, 9 words. Even better, more concise. Let's check the criteria for Doc's Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Set 2019 to 2024. Clean, yes. Concise, yes, 9 words. Engaging, professional and descriptive, clear about what it is for. Remove unnecessary details. Yes, removed specific filter part numbers, DGF 430, DGF 401, D5335, and OEM replacement numbers. Also removed repeated 2500, 3500, 4500, 5500 as Ram 6.7L Cummins. Usually implies these trucks in this context. Appealing, professional, Easy to read? Yes. Under 10 words? Yes. 9 words. Descriptive? Yes. Clearly states the product type, vehicle, engine, and model years. This looks like a strong candidate. Docs identifies the brand/product line as per the source title. Ram 6.7 Cummins identifies the vehicle and engine. Diesel filter set identifies the product type. 2019 to 2024 identifies the relevant model years. This title is much better for a YouTube video than the raw Amazon title. It tells the viewer immediately what the video is about and for whom. Docs Ram 6.7 Cummins diesel filter set 2019 to 2024. Protecting your 2019 to 2023 Ram 6.7 Cummins is paramount, and it starts with superior filtration. Docs diesel filter kit is meticulously engineered to redefine expectations, meeting or exceeding OEM quality. We employ premium 3-layer media paper, making this an upgrade, not just a replacement, ensuring optimal engine health and performance. This comprehensive set includes your essential fuel filter, fuel/water separator, and oil filter, offering a perfect, durable OEM spec fit for hassle-free installation. Experience peace of mind knowing your truck benefits from exceptional filtration, protecting against harmful contaminants. Docs Diesel, a grassroots Ohio company, is committed to delivering high-quality filters and unmatched value to keep your diesel running strong. Number 3. Mopar Ram 6.7 Cummins Diesel Filters 2020 to 2024. Keep your powerhouse Ram 6.7 Cummins running flawlessly with genuine Mopar diesel filters, specifically designed for 2020 to 2024 models. As an expert knows, using the right filters is non-negotiable for engine longevity and peak performance. These filters are engineered to precisely fit your Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500 from 2020 through 2024, providing the superior filtration a Cummins diesel demands. You'll maintain optimal fuel efficiency and protect your significant investment with Mopar's trusted quality. Just a quick note. These filters are tailor-made for the latest generations, so they won't fit 2013 to 2018 or some 2019 models. Ensure your Ram gets the exact filtration it needs. Choose Mopar and drive with confidence. Number 2. UFI Oil Filter for 2003 to 2024 Ram Cummins. Ram Cummins owners, protect your powerhouse engine with the UFI Oil Filter. Engineered as a direct OEM replacement, it offers seamless compatibility for 2003 to 2024 Ram 2500 to 5500 trucks with 5.9L and 6.7L Cummins engines, cross-referencing perfectly with Mopar and leading aftermarket numbers. Built tough for heavy-duty diesel performance, this filter is designed to withstand extreme conditions and high-mileage demands, ensuring maximum filtration efficiency and long-lasting engine protection. The OEM Grade 1 to 16 UN thread guarantees a fast, leak-free installation. Crafted from high-grade, heat-resistant materials with an advanced cellulose and synthetic media blend, it delivers optimal oil flow and superior dirt-holding capacity. Maintain structural integrity for up to 10,000 miles. Keep your Cummins running strong, mile after dependable mile. Number 1. Fleetguard Oil Filter 4-Pack. Keep your engine performing at its peak with the Fleetguard LF16035 Oil Filter 4-Pack. This isn't just a replacement. It's an essential upgrade, built for serious engine protection. Engineered with a critical 30-micron efficiency, these filters ensure your oil stays exceptionally clean, significantly extending engine life and maintaining optimal performance. As an enhanced version of the LF3972, you're getting Fleetguard's latest filtration technology. Each filter is precision-crafted with a 1 to 16 UN, 2B thread, and specific dimensions to guarantee a perfect, leak-free fit. The convenient 4-pack ensures you're always ready for routine maintenance, providing peace of mind and excellent value. If you're looking for a dependable cross-reference for DBL 7349 or LF 9028, you've found the ultimate match for uncompromising engine health. So, that sums up my 10 best oil filter for 6.7 Cummins. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great